What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to add a new user to your Windows 11 PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. In your Start menu search, type Control Panel and hit Enter. On this window, make sure that you view it by category and select Change Account Type. Here, click on Add a new user in PC Settings. Your settings window will open up. Here, under Other Users, you can select to add a new account. You will then be prompted to log in to the new account using the email address or phone number of the person you want to add. If you don't have that information and you simply want to create a new user, then select that you don't have that information. You can then select to create a new account. You can use your default Gmail or other email address and will create a Microsoft account for you. Or simply select Add a user without Microsoft account. You can then enter the username and password for your newly created user. To switch users on Windows 11, simply click on the Start icon and select your username at the bottom to sign out. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.